It's time for another gardening update. Look guys, gardening community, look like I got some dill growing. About time. Dill coming back. I love it. Right on, dill. Do your thing. Do your thing. The parsley still hanging in. This basil look like something eating it up. Got to check that out. Look at the rosemary. One little piece of life left in it. All because I overcrowded this plant. That's what I did, overcrowded it. There's the cilantro, still hanging in there. But I'm surprised I'm getting some dill. I'm about to plant my other herb seeds now. Supposed to be getting some bad wind coming through here. I don't think nothing gonna get knocked over. But that's what my herbs doing. Look like they hanging in there. I just had to water my oregano. I went out here for a couple of days and it had dried up on me. There it is right there. It'll snap back. I'll just put some water on it. The mint is still hanging on. Here go my mother pothos plant that I do my propagations on. Yeah, so gotta wait till my oregano snap back. I got it aerated. That'll be it doing for this one. But that's what's going on. About to share with y'all my plants. I'll see you on the next one.